BHDP was founded in 1937. The original founder was a gentleman by the name of Cy Baxter, and he brought in 3 other partners. So it was Jack Hodell, Jim Donnelly, and Jim Preston. They started doing industrial design work, both domestically and internationally. It was design, master planning, strategic planning. And since that time, they diversified into a number of markets: workplace, science, higher ed, retail. With BHDP, it really starts with our overall collective ambition. And at the heart of that is our purpose: to design places and experiences that inspire people. We want to understand your business, your operations, and your people at the front end of a project, because that's the only way we believe we can deliver your project. IID, the Integrated Industrial Design market, is a market that focuses on owners that have manufacturing, warehousing, and material distribution centers. Our goal is really to design those facilities with near-term and long-term goals in mind. Sometimes an owner comes to us with a design. This is what I want. Please start drawing. We'd like an owner to step back, take a pause for a moment, and let us understand your business. Let us understand your business drivers, your equipment, your people. And that's where we start to ask a lot of questions, about flows, equipment expansion, constructability, and then translate that into the number of pieces of equipment, utility systems, all the way down to the staffing. So you can see everything is really driven by the business and capacity master plan. We've got a lot of technology at our disposal that we can use. And so one of the capabilities that I wanted to create when I got to BHDP was, let's look at modeling and simulation. Let's simulate these facilities during that front-end engineering phase of a project. If we're producing product at a certain rate or a throughput, what does that do upstream and downstream in terms of the physical environment? And that's what we're really trying to do. We're trying to shrink wrap a plant around process equipment, and we want to right-size it. There's equal risk in over-designing and under-designing that plant. If we over-design it, we get it wrong, it's going to be increased capital, longer construction durations, increased depreciation. That drives up the cost of each unit or product that's going out the door. Equally, there's risk in if you underbuild the plant. You might have to interplant product. You might have to import it from another country. So that is increasing your transportation and warehousing cost. Maybe you've got to expand the plant unexpectedly. If you haven't done the right planning, like we try to do, you may have a disruption to your operations. Layering in technology on the front end execution phase of the planning process of a project allows us to really right size that. Now, our goal is really to deliver a great place and a great experience for you, not only through the design process, but once you've taken occupancy of the space. We're unique in a way that we execute projects.